For stuffed garlic bread, today I am going to use as a stuffing garlic, fresh garlic, mozzarella cheese and English spices and herbs such as rosemary, thyme and oregano. The recipe is as follows: 240 ml and instant rye is 7.5 grams, sugar 10 grams, refined flour 480 plus 30 grams extra to knead the dough, salt 2.5 grams, fresh garlic I have taken 25 to 30 numbers, cloves and fine chopped properly, and oregano 10 to 15 grams, olive oil 30 ml. And stuffing inside also I am going to use grated mozzarella cheese, salt, pepper powder, thyme and rosemary. For making stuffed garlic bread, procedure is little different. First I have to use lukewarm water. Lukewarm water is when you touch with your finger, it should be little warm only so that the yeast will activate properly. Then add yeast, instant dry yeast I am going to use, and sugar, and mix properly with the whisk first. I kept the bowl at warm place and you can see the bubbles have raised on top of the bowl, and you can see this is the fermenting the yeast or activating the yeast. Now I am going to add flour slowly and regularly into the liquid mixture. Add salt also. You can remove the whisk at this time because it will start giving you lumpy texture. So I am going to use wooden spoon instead of whisking. Just start mixing the dough. I'll transfer this into the planetary mixture now. I transfer the bowl into the planetary mixture again to knead the dough properly. Remaining flour I am going to add. Transfer the dough into the planetary mixture to knead further. I am also added the extra flour. Now start kneading at medium speed. Garlic bread, the dough is leaving the sides of the dish. This is the time you are going to add either margarine or fat. So here in the recipe it is olive oil. So I am going to add olive oil slowly and regularly. Just wait to infuse the dough oil properly. After adding olive oil, I will stop the machine to add oregano seasoning. I will add first 5 grams and then I will infuse this inside the stuffing as a stuffing. And garlic also I am adding 10 grams to 5 to 10 cloves. Remaining I will add as a stuffing inside the garlic bread. It is leaving the sides of the dish, stuffed garlic bread. I will switch off the planetary mixture machine. Remove the dough from the planetary mixture and try to keep the dough for resting for fermentation. I have added garlic and oregano inside the dough also, and again I will do stuffing. The remaining salt, pepper, mozzarella cheese. As I told you, it is a commercial bread. So let me give resting for half an hour to 1 hour at one corner of the place. As usually I am going to cover the dough with bowl. The stuffed garlic bread proving is done. So let us give knock back to the dough. I am removing the air bubbles from the dough and putting back the dough into the center. let us weight the dough total yield weight after knockback. Let us check how much the total yield. 914 to 13.5 grams. 913.5 grams. I'll divide the dough into 350 grams each. You can take 400 also if keeping stuffing with stuffed garlic bread. Let me give the dough in a round shape. First, I'll use rolling pin. Put the dough on lightly flour dusted table and start making the dough in a circular shape. If you don't want to use rolling pin also, you can use the hand, simple. Dough is ready for stuffing inside the stuffed garlic bread. Let us just water spray in the top. I'll first use spices, English spices, oregano, thyme, rosemary, and to give spiciness I am adding little chili powder. You can also add chili flakes, pizza related chili flakes, pepper powder, season with salt, sprinkle again lightly water, and I am going to add garlic. Sprinkle garlic in half of the dough only, as I have added remaining in the dough, so less garlic can be added in stuffing. Now finally, mozzarella cheese. Spread throughout the dough mozzarella cheese properly. Now just fold the dough in a half moon shape. And just seal from the sides of the dough and transfer the dough into the mold. Let us check the stuffed garlic bread is done or not. Yes, this is done. Now only thing, from topping I have to give some more spices. So before I give topping, let us cut into 1 inch or half inch, 1 inch to 1.5 inch thickness lengthwise. Sprinkle lightly water, salt, pepper, On top you have the choice of adding cheese, mozzarella cheese. So one I have added little lightly cheese, and one without cheese I have added, only the English spices I have added. So let us bake this in a oven of 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes first in 180. Transferring after 10 minutes of baking stuffed garlic bread into 200 degrees centigrade. For more 5 to 7 minutes. Stuffed garlic bread, let me check in the oven whether it is done or not. Yes, this is done. Light golden in color. Let us give me oil wash lightly, fresh oil wash. As you see in Domino's pizza, these are served as an accompaniment for as a side dish. So these are very popular as a garlic bread also. After cooling down, I have to cut as a strips. So I'll use pizza dough cutter to cut the into 1 inch or 2 inch strips. After cooling down the stuffed garlic bread, let us slice the bread on chopping board and do the presentation for this. Simple. As you have given the marks earlier and cutted slices, so on the same marks you start cutting with using pizza dough cutter, and the bread is ready to serve.